Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to look at some of your present energies in the middle of the month of May 2021, and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you in the mid of May 2021. Okay, so let's get started with your reading. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, and I'm going to look at some of your past, present and future energies over here. So it can be like love related energies, career, work, finances. It can be anything. So let's see what is there for my Capricorns. At the back of the deck we have Four of Cups. Okay, so see Capricorns, what is happening in your overall energy? It's like you are getting some of the the universal messages are coming towards you. What I feel, somebody is trying to help you out, somebody is trying to communicate with you, somebody is actually offering you something, but there is an energy of rejection on your part. I don't know whether it's your energy. It can be someone else's energy where you are offering something to someone and someone else is rejecting that thing. It can be anyone's energy, but there is an energy of rejection. Okay, it can be like something related with your work, like you might be going to go for some of your jobs. You might be trying for some jobs, you might be trying for somebody to like you back, you might be liking someone, loving someone, but the other person is keep on rejecting that love energy. And it can be yours as well, where you are trying to reject someone else. Okay, somebody else is offering you that thing, you are rejecting. You might not be getting a good raise in your work, so you are rejecting the offer because you want something more, so you are not taking some other work. It is the situation which I'm talking about. Okay, rejection is the situation over here. Okay, so in the past we have the Tower, the Queen of Cups and the Eight of Pentacles. I feel that your thing, see Capricorns, you are in a place, you have always worked really hard for your situations. It looks to me as if the endings which happen with you, around you, in your life, you always work, like you always work hard for your things, you always work really good, and people do not acknowledge those things around you, and that is the reason which is actually making you become a really hard person from inside. Yeah, because see, the Queen of Cups is actually looking towards the Tower. She is actually looking towards the past more. So it's looking to me that you are ready to work. You might be even working for your situations, might be working for your career, might be working for your job situations, but you are still in the past. See how this Queen of Cups and the Eight of Pentacles is here. It's like the Eight of Pentacles, this person is actually working, but she is not ready to look at him. She is more interested to look towards the past. So that is what is coming in here. Like you are still somewhere in the past, whatever the situations, whatever happened in your life, you are still somewhere over there. Although you are ready to work for yourself, you are ready to work for, to get more gains, to get more money, to get more finance, financial gain, health gain, everywhere, abundance. You are working for the abundance, but that one, we say that heart, that the corner of our heart, one soft corner is still there in the past. Let me see. Your present energies are Queen of Wands, Four of Swords and Justice. See, as I already told you, the present energies are also very similar as your past energies. It looks to me that you might be silent for some situations in your life, but you are working for your gains, for other gains like money, finances. You are working for that, because with the Queen of Wands, she is very interactive queen. She is very intelligent, strong, she has a lot of strength, courage. Okay, so she is very courageous. That can be your energy. You are very courageous, you have a lot of strength in you, you are ready to fight. But that small thing, which always, because of which you come to a pause, which because of which you come towards a silent mode, is still there. Okay, it can be related with something in relation with a divorce, or something in relation with a law breaking, something like that, because you might feel that you were not there was not fairness involved in the situation, injustice might be involved in that situation. So that is why that pause, that silence is there in your life, and you are working, but still you just hold back. In the coming future, 8 of Swords, 10 of Wands, and 5 of Swords. Wow. What is going to happen, Capricorn? See, I really feel sometimes that we are the ones who create these kind of situations around us. Because with the 8 of Swords, you know what? With the 8 of Swords, look at her. Her eyes are blindfold, but there are swords around her. So she can easily. And you know what else? The hands which her the thing, the rope which is tied, by which her hand has been tied, that is really not very hard. Okay, she can easily remove those hands from this thing, and she can cut it using her hands. She can take a sword, she can cut those ropes using her hand, and she'll be able to see what is going on in front of her. It looks to me that she doesn't want to see. Okay, sometimes we play blindfold. Something is happening in front of us, but we play blindfold. We do not want to see what is happening, and you do not want to see what is happening in your life. Sometimes you are at a place where you want to grow, but you are still stuck. Although that thing has been happened, has been over, finished. Okay, it's not going to come back in your life again, but you are not able to look around you. You are sabotaging yourself. You are making yourself worse. Not other. I don't feel that these are other people around you who are trying to make your life worse, or creating problems around you. I feel that this is more of your energies, which are you are being the victim of yourself, of your past. I feel, and you feel that I was the victim. I have been hurt by somebody from the past, but why are you carrying this much of load with you? Okay, so I think you have to drop this load now. It has to be, oh sorry, so it has to be, like this. It has to be in reverse. You have to drop that load. Okay, let's clarify now what is there around us. Why the Four of Cups is here in the overall energy for my Capricorns? Why the Four of Cups is here in the overall energy for my Capricorns? The King of Wands. Yes, so since the Queen of Wands is also here, the King of Wands is also here. I really feel that masculine energies are covering your head and your aura around you, and that is why, when we sometimes start feeling that we are on the top of the world, although that is not your energy, but somewhere it is like that I am not going to change myself anymore, because let me clarify more. The Hanged Man, see, it's a stopping energy. You are being stopped by either somebody, might be a masculine in your family, or it can be your energy as well, where you are not ready to accept some things. This is the the accepting of some situations in your life. You have to accept it, whatever is happening. The Tower, Queen of Cups, and the Eight of Pentacles. See, we have the Five of Swords again, that sabotage. See, I see that in the past you were the victim. Okay, whatever has been happened with your life, you were not the reason for that unhappiness. No, this was someone else. It can be a person, it can be a lady from the past, a mother, sister, some other person in your life, a lady. You know, I see feminine energies more. But what about the present and future? The past was, this past was, has happened because of someone else. But what about the present energies? Why are you self-sabotaging yourself? Okay, let's see your present energies. Queen of Wands, Four of Swords, and Justice. Okay, so Page of Pentacles with the Knight of Pentacles. Yes, so things are being slow. You might be a new learner. So basically, things are not so slow, you are making them slow, and that is for positive situations. I feel that why is it happening? Because you are trying to learn some new skills, you are going slow now. Whatever happened, I really get an idea of a new learner in you, a new person who has emerged from the, you know, just like phoenix who emerges from its own ashes and then a new beginning starts. So that transformation is being seen over here. Justice, I really see that some lessons, you are learning some lessons in your life regarding any situation, whatever that situation is. Let's see why the future cards are here. Sorry, I don't know why your cards are really popping up so much, Capricorn. Something is, you know, many cards really want to come out, I think, for your reading. Let's see. Eight of Swords, Ten of Wands, and the Five of Swords. Let's see. Wheel of Fortune. I was just expecting this card actually. So this thing, I really feel that this being sabotaging, you know, being the victim of your own thoughts, I feel that this is coming towards an end with the Wheel of Fortune. It tells us that whatever is happening, there's a cycle about for everything. If this was meant to happen, if you are in a cycle, if you are stuck at a place, if you are stuck in a situation, it was meant to happen. Okay, so do not overthink about it, because you might be overthinking a lot. See, Nine of Cups, gratitude, content, you know, wishes fulfilling, these things are going to be settled in your mind. Or I think there's some actions which you need to do for this situation, something you need to do now. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Capricorns. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.